Today we will start back exercise of chapter number 2. Yesterday we have discussed question answer based upon this chapter. Let us start today's work. Fun with vocabulary. Words that confuse. Sometimes we confused with words having same sound. People get confused with the following pairs of words, learn their meanings and use them in sentences to bring out their meanings clearly. In our previous class, we already have done these type of words. In this class, we will learn some new words. Let us start. First is altar. A-L-T-A-R. Altar. It means a place to worship in a religious building. I want to ask a question from you. Have you ever visited to a church? क्या आप कभी चर्च गए हो? Have you seen there a raised place where we worship? क्या आपने वहाँ ऐसी प्लेस देखी है जहाँ पे हम वर्शिप करते हैं मीन्स पूजा करते हैं? You can see this type of place in any religious building, in Gurdwara, in mandirs. I am repeating, a place to worship in a religious building. किसी भी religious building में ऐसी place देखने को मिलती है. Its sentence is, some people have altars in their homes. कुछ लोगों ने घरों में ही ऐसे altar बनाए होते हैं. For which purpose? For worshipping. पूजा के लिए होते हैं ना हमारे घरों में वैसे. B is altar. A-L-T-E-R. Alter. To change slightly. Slightly means हल्का सा. किसी चीज़ में हल्का सा change करना. Have you altered your new dress? क्या आपने अपनी न्यू ड्रेस ऑल्टर करवा ली है? ऑल्टर मीन्स जैसे समटाइम्स वी बाय अ ड्रेस दैट मे बी लूज और टाइट, सो वी हैव टू ऑल्टर दैट ड्रेस. क्या होता है कभी कभी हम जब ड्रेस कोई न्यू बाय करते हैं कभी लूज या टाइट होती है तो उसको क्या करना पड़ता है? ऑल्टर. उसमें कुछ चेंजेस करने पड़ते हैं. क्लियर? हैव यू ऑल्टर्ड योर न्यू ड्रेस? Second का first part, artist, one who practices a fine art. जो fine art की practice करता है वो artist होता है. You are a good artist. Next is artisan. Artisan means one who practices a handicraft. Means artisan means skilled workers. The artisan can cut stones into various shapes. जो artisan होते हैं वो अलग अलग shapes में stone को cut कर सकते हैं. Clear? Next, third is complement. C-O-M-P. L-E. Compli. M-E-N-T. Complement means that which completes. Complement means that which completes. जो एक चीज़ जो दूसरी को complete करती है. इसका sentence है, bread and butter both are complement to each other. Bread and butter both are complement. Means we can't consume butter without bread. कि bread के बिना butter नहीं consume करते, दोनों को इकट्ठा ही हम consume करते हैं. B is complement. C-O-M-P-L-I. M-E-N-T. Complement. An expression of regards. An expression of regards. I got a compliment on my new dress. कि मैंने अपनी न्यू ड्रेस पे कॉम्प्लीमेंट मुझे मिला। जब आपको कोई बोलता है कि इट्स अ प्रेटी ड्रेस, इट्स अ नाइस ड्रेस, सो दैट मीन्स you got a compliment from another person. Fourth is farmer. Farmer. Farmer means peasant. Farmer कौन होते हैं? जो fields में work करते हैं. Farmer grows grain for us. Farmer क्या करते हैं हमारे लिए? Grain. Grain means wheat, rice, maize, etc. ये सब grow करते हैं हमारे लिए, for us. Farmer grows grain for us. Next B is farmer. Farmer. Former. Farmer means first in position. Its sentence is the former is true but the latter is not. जैसे किसी सेंटेंस की बात कर रहे हैं कि फॉर्मर इज ट्रू, कि पहले वाला ट्रू है बट द लेटर इज नॉट, दूसरे वाला पिछले वाला, लेटर मीन्स लास्ट वाला ट्रू नहीं है. क्लियर? द फॉर्मर इज ट्रू बट द लेटर इज नॉट. फिफ्थ इज रिस्पेक्टेबल. RES रिस्पेक्ट, PECT पैक्टेबल, ABLE respectable. Worthy of respect means it means worthy of respect, जो respect के योग्य हो. He came from a respectable family. He came, वो आया, came आया, कहाँ से आया? From a कौन सी फैमिली से? रिस्पेक्टेबल फैमिली. वर्दी ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट मीन्स जिसकी रिस्पेक्ट हो सकती है. Worthy of respect. He came from a respectable family. B is respectful. RECPECT respect. FUL full respectful. One who shows respect, जो respect show करता है. He is respectful to his elders. he is respectful, वो respectful है to his elders. किसके प्रति? अपने elders के प्रति. Means वो अपने elders के प्रति respect show करता है. Clear? Let us revise these words again. Altar, a place to worship in a religious building. Alter, to change slightly. Second is artist, one who practices a fine art. Artisan, one who practices a handicraft. Third is compliment, that which completes. Next is compliment, an expression of regards. Fourth is farmer, means peasant. Farmer means first in position. Next is respectable, means worthy of respect. Respectful means one who shows respect. So learn these words in proper way and also learn sentences. Then write it down in your notebook. Thank you.